the spatulas. This is the Velvetty gel brush. So I'm going to apply this smaller, pick a smaller beads. And we're going to do half, apply the Milky White right in a half of the nails. Where I am at. Okay, I'm right here. So right in the middle. And kind of guide it. It's just so, the consistency is so beautiful. It's not too hard to control, but also it's really nice and it's salt level for you. This. And then I'm gonna go ahead. Can you wipe that now? Right in front of me, it is the bay gel. So I drop 1 drop of the bay gels. You don't need any other solution. It's only you need is your bay gel. Submerging my bristle into the bay gels. And then we are going to smooth it the surface of the Milky White. Make sure your bristles stay on the top of your velvety gel. Same the techniques that I did show it before for your liquid green powders as well, or the gel polish. So make sure the bristles stay on the top of your products. And really gently guide it to the free edges. Unlike floating techniques. And just remove the excess gel that you don't want it off. And wipe it completely off. Now we are go ahead, and it's really cool. It flows so well. And then we'll go ahead and cure this for 30 seconds. Make sure this part you're gonna keep it really nice and thin. Thinner is better, because then you apply any other colors, like say any colors you decide to, like blushings or nude. It's gonna be so much better for you when you are blending your ombre. Here, 30-second flash here. And after the 30-second flash here, we're all going to pick up some Velvetty Gel's nude colors. And keep in mind, they are not set, not dry until you key it. So you have all the time to really working on them and manipulating them. And I'm going to go ahead. And then remember that I did this, unlike acrylics that you do 2 beads. Or some of you are getting 1 bead, but this one you can totally get in 1 bead. And then easy to control and create the ombre set of nails. Perfect for beginner nail techs, for is, you know, for nail lover, for any of you are doing or create is press on nails as well. All right, so I am gonna move this to on the side. Submerging my bristle into the bay gels, which is that how you're able to getting and blending perfect ombre. And it's also, in the meantime, when you see that how you work on it, it shows really nice. It's already set level for basically for you. So then all you need to do is to guide your beads the way you want it. Okay.
Yep, we're just gonna take this chance to just remind everyone. So currently our 5th anniversary sale is live. So for the entire month of March, you get every product you get on the website 20% off, except the subscription box.
Special thanks to every single one of you from Glitz for the past 5 years. Is a great chance for you to grab a lot of products that you've been wanted for a long time, and then here is a great time for you to pick up some items you want to check it out or to restock a lot of your inventory. And all of the special order is $199 will receive a free crystal trifecta. You don't need to add it on unless you want another one. But when you order after the discount with no other fee, shipping and discounts and taxes, is it hits in $199, it will come with your crystal trifecta. That's how we start and able to support so many of our nail techs and see so many of you are absolutely successful. So this is kind of a reward to us. All right, so you can work with this so many, I mean, so many times if you want to able to blend to perfect your ombre and velvety gels. You see that is effortless. Basically, I just use it to just guiding it, but basically it doesn't need to do a lot of work. It does all the velvety gels, those mostly is the work for you already. It's self level itself. All you need to do is to get your bristle, basically just like a guidance. You go left, you go right. That's about it. See that? How beautiful it is. And now if you don't want anything else on, no glitter, nothing, leave it alone. And you can able to clear and then apply the crystal clear to cap your ombre part. So should we add some flowers on, since we're already having fun like doing all the flowers? So you can able to get an idea of if you want to do a velvety gels or liquid and powder. You watch the videos that I did with the super cute flowers. You can do with or without. All right.
So cuticle pusher. We're using our velvety brush, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, we're using our velvety brush to spread the gel.
Yes.
Hey, thank you, SBS Nail. Yes, the transfer for gel is extremely powerful. It's lovely. 100% transfer pretty much every time.
So cute. This one, it like lift it up just a little bit.
You know, otherwise the gel's are gonna eat it.
It's like, hey, I'm so comfortable. I'm gonna be over here. So add some beads on. I think it's this one. It's Golden Spring metal art. It's had all different cute flowers.
So cuticle pusher. Right now we're working with velvety gel, and we're using the velvety brush.
Add more if you want to. I'm gonna leave this on up just a little bit. This is I put it a little bit hard, so that's why it was shrinking in there. All right, here for 60 seconds. Looks super cute, right? Not bad at all. You can add some more, less, it's up to you. All right, and then after that, we're gonna clear with the crystal clear. So as I say, you can stop. You don't have to put the metals like charms on it. If you want to add some charms, you can definitely. And then we're gonna pick up some crystal clear to cap completely the metal part, and also to cap the part of where the ombre is. But basically, it's just the flowers already on the top of it. So here is a beige gel. Only you need to use its beige gel to definitely guide in and manipulating yours I'm gonna tilt a little bit and let the gravity do most of the works for you. Okay. I'm gonna turn it like upside down to let it like cell level. And add just a little bit of basil. See, now you can just guide it. Always keep the bristles stay on the top of yours gel.
Just give it a push. It's basil.
So this is help you to guide it and work with the velvety gels. Nice, smooth, slick, easy, no difficult, no troubleshoot at all. And plus, it will not break down your products at all. All right, beautiful. And then we're gonna go ahead and take your time if you need to like getting them nice and smooth. Okay, look at it in the back. It looks so cool. It's ombre. All right, so now we are go ahead and cure for 6 seconds. Looks so cute though.